It's a beautiful day. Ah, ah. It's a beautiful day. Ah, ah. It's a beautiful day. Ah, it's a beautiful day. Ayan, happy and blessed Saturday morning everyone. And it's a beautiful day today. Ayan, ang ganda po ng araw. Ang ating pong kalangitan ay talagang blue na may design na kaunting mga palamuti na kung tawagin ay ulap. Ayan, sobrang ganda po, sobrang blessings natin ngayon, pero malamig at mahangin. Ayan ang ating pong kabundukan. Yan, kung makikita niyo, kay gandang pagmasdan. Ayan, iba't ibang kulay ng ating mga kadahunan. Ayan, kaya yan, good morning everyone, and God bless us always. Ayan, ingat po tayo palagi. At yan, Pasko na, magmahalan, magbigayan, at magpatawaran. Ayan, ayan po, naway nasa puso natin ang diwa ng Pasko. Ayan, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year everyone. Ayan, God bless us always. I love you all. God bless us always.